When?
Okay, guys, I'm about to slip 6 stitches and drop the yarn overs in between and show you the crazy crossover thing. So I'm looking for a stitch that is actually a purl on this side.
I see
There it
that.
is. So 1, drop the yarn over. 2, drop the yarn overs. 3, there they go. 4, there's some more. 5 and 6, and then I dropped that too because it's hard to keep it on the needle while you're doing this crazy stuff. So I've got my 6 drop stitches, and I'm going to, not drop stitches, but you know, I'm going to put them back on the left needle. Now my goal is to cross these 3 over the first 3. So I'm going to put my finger on the first 3, scoop up the last 3. If I didn't put my finger here, then they would not stay in place. So I'm gonna, you got a lot of leeway, so I'm gonna pull them over and off. And look, now they're crossed. Don't worry about that. Remember, we pull it out. They're crossed, so now I'm gonna get these 3 back on the left needle. They're crossed. Now I can knit them in order. And yes, it feels weird because they're big and loopy. But when I'm done knitting all 6, I give it a nice tug.
So pretty.
And there they are.
So easy. Okay.
3, and there's my hole, 3 over 3. Now I'm ready to scoot some needles, some stitches down, and I can just start right back. Slip, drop off. Now look right there.
What?
It's not the stitch, so I gotta go looking for it.
Oh,
I used my fingernails. It got overlapped.
It's that pearly thing, huh?
So we're looking for the pearl. And there it is. There's the stitch I want to slip. So slip it off. And you're just gonna do this all the way across the row until you have a bunch of these pretty crossovers. Okay.
Can you send that to us, Missy?